Tell me why nobody warned me this hairstyle will turn me into that girl. If you've ever wanted that put together but effortless soft life look, this video might just be your sign. This Fulani braids / Jayda Wayda combo is about to make you rethink crochet hair completely. The compliments haven't even started rolling in yet, and I already know it's over for y'all. I'm so excited to be trying out this trending Fulani braids meets Jayda Wayda inspired style for the very first time. Thanks to Elfin Hair for coming through with the goods. They sent me their 18-inch water wave crochet human hair, 2 packs for a full head. You already know when it comes to trying new hairstyles, I'm not afraid. Crochet might technically be a DIY hairstyle, but to know Chantel is to know that she will always pay for convenience. Because why stress when someone can get your braids tight, neat and cute while you read a book or just gist at the salon. Right off the pack, I noticed how soft, and when I say soft, I mean butter soft this hair was. It's bouncy, full all the way to the ends, and has that light, airy feel you rarely get with crochet hair. But what really shocked me was the crochet weft design. This isn't your regular old school crochet with bulky knots. Nope, this one is feathery, knotless, tension free, and built to stay put. No slipping, no snagging. Basically, your scalp says thank you in advance. I even showed my stylist and she was like, oh wow, this is actually smart. I love when brands innovate without doing too much, just small details that make life easier. To save time, I asked my stylist to do 2 stitch braids per cornrow, which keeps the base flat but full. Then she secured the ends with black rubber bands. I actually got that hack from Chef B's channel. It's supposed to hide the demarcation between your natural hair and the crochet extension. Honestly, I think it worked beautifully. I know crochet has that rep of looking wiggy if not installed properly, but when you do small braids, tuck the knots properly, and use this type of soft no knot crochet, it looks so natural. Now let's talk versatility, because this hair is not just cute, it is practical. You can wear it half up, half down, throw it into a high ponytail, or even do a bun for that clean girl aesthetic. It's beginner friendly, super lightweight, and maintenance, it's minimal. All you really need is water, a little leave-in, and your hands to fluff and go. If you're a gym girly, this is perfect because the braids keep everything intact while the coils still give you that volume. If you're a lazy natural like me, sometimes, it's also great because you don't have to stress with daily styling. And if you travel a lot, trust me, this is a vacation approved hairstyle. You can jump in the pool, get sand in your hair, and still come out looking cute. When I say this hair is affordable, I mean affordable. For human hair crochet of this quality, I expected it to be pricier. It is genuinely a steal. Please don't pay full price when you have me. Use my code CHA10 to save 10% on your order. It's only valid for a month, so now is your cue to shop. Like I mentioned, it is 100% human hair in the water wave texture, which gives that effortless wet and go vibe. And if crochet isn't just your thing, Elfin Hair has a whole range of frontals, wigs, and clip-ins too. Basically, they've covered all your hair moods: lazy day, glam day, or even main character day. The install process was honestly quick, maybe about 1 hour 30 minutes, and it wasn't tight at all. You know that feeling when you tilt your head after braids and your ancestors cry out? Yeah, that wasn't the case with this one, not today. In no time, my stylist was done. She sprayed some water and leave-in conditioner to define the curls, and baby, voila, your girl is serving in her Fulani braids crochet hairstyle. It's giving soft but spicy. It's giving don't talk to me unless it's brand deal related. I turned to the mirror and literally went, yeah, it's over for you. Show me a girl who wouldn't look amazing in this hairstyle. I'll wait. It's neat, lightweight, and the curls just fall perfectly. Even from the back, it looks like individual braids with curly ends, not crochet. That's how seamless it looks. And let's not forget, this is also a protective hairstyle. It gives your natural hair a break from constant manipulation while still keeping you looking snatched. Since I'm currently transitioning from relaxed to natural again, I needed something that won't put tension on my roots or cause breakage. This crochet style is perfect for that. Gentle on the scalp, easy to maintain, and still super stylish. So yeah, thank you Elfin Hair for sending me this crochet hair. I genuinely love everything about it, from texture to install to price. If you've been sleeping on crochet hairstyle, this should be your wake-up call. Use my code CHA10 for 10% off your order on elfinhair.com. This coupon is valid for just 1 month, so don't miss out. I was just about to leave the house, but thought it wise to give you all a review. This is probably 6 days after I made this hair, and it's still thriving. This is how I tied it in a bun to go to the gym. Minimal manipulation, minimal maintenance. I just pack it like this, go to the gym. When I'm going out, I fluff it and I'm out. I haven't used deep conditioner since I made it, since that day at the salon. This is what it's looking like. No tangling. You can see that I just unraveled it and still looks really good. The curls are still popping, as you can see. No shedding. Still very full and nice looking. None of the knots have loosened. Everything is still in place. The only form of maintenance I'll say I've done since I made this hair is putting hair oil on my scalp. So on the Fulani braids, I just take this hair oil. It has rosemary and mint. It's really good, and I think it has helped my edges a bit. My hair is a bit softer. I don't know if it's the hair oil doing its thing, but those are the things I've noticed since I started using this hair oil religiously. Next, I just use this edge control. The edges. I don't do baby hair, so I just brush the edges down. As you can see, it took less than 5 minutes to do all of this. Hair is popping. I don't need to spray any water on it. But if I really wanted to make it more defined, the curls that is, I would just spritz water and deep conditioner like you all saw me do in the salon. Like I said, this hair is really good. Elfin Hair did their thing with this one. It's just an amazing quality of hair. I'll leave every detail in the description box as well as on the screen, discount code and all. So that's it with this review. I hope to carry this hair for at least 3 weeks, if not more, because I really like everything about it. Thank you all so much for watching. I know at the beginning of this video I did not mention my name. My name is Chantel Ayawo. For those who are seeing me for the first time, please do want to join the Chantel Nation family by clicking on the subscribe button, also the bell icon next to it, so you don't miss out on any of the uploads. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Stay amazing, stay beautiful, and keep repping. All right, bye.
Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it.